We are done with Module 1 and Module 2. Now let's proceed with Module 3 for the lesson planning.
A role play activity is an example of a task appropriate for which stage of PPP production. Choose the correct verb form to complete the passive sentence. Active. Charlotte thinks someone's following her. Passive. Charlotte thinks she was being followed. In the presentation stage of PPP, which of the following should come first? Model sentence. PPP, TTT, and task-based learning are the only three styles of lesson planning. False. Task-based learning should involve a task which is free. The TTT approach requires you to tailor your lesson to the student's needs. True. In the TTT approach, what step comes first? Test. The majority of your lesson should focus on the practice stage. True.